Hey guys, welcome back.
This is Ron.
This is not a usual travel vlog kasi throwback na po siya. So, travel vlog is all about Baler Aurora. Okay, this is a solo DIY travel with budget, tips, places to visit, and activities. Okay, Baler is the capital of the province of Aurora in the Philippines. 276 kilometers from Cubao in Quezon City, 5 to 6 hours of travel time. 650 to 730 pesos. Number 1, book your bus ticket in advance, especially kung peak season. Okay? Once you have the booking, present your booking reference and a valid ID dun sa office katabi ng terminal ng Joy Bus, and then they will exchange the ticket for you. Tip number 2, take the earliest trip. Meron silang 12 midnight para may time ka pang matulog. Tip number 3, talk to your co-passengers and then exchange ideas. Tip number 4, if magsa-surfing kayo, huwag kayong kukuha agad ng surfing instructor. Compare rates nyo po muna. The contact number ni Kuya Toti, siya yung nagturo sa akin. That's 300 pesos lang po. Dun sa baba. Tip number 5, stay at the hostel or homestay kasi mas mura unless you have the budget. And I would recommend yung Costa Pacifica. Medyo may kamahalan, but if you have the budget, why not? Ang budget ko sa homestay ko is 700 pesos per night. Good for 4 na po yun. Tip number 6, spare a day na wala kang itinerary. Just enjoy and relax the beach. It's time to relax. That's all, and thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and like my other social media accounts. It's over there. Thank you. Bye. See you next time.